Look at this great exploding firework picture. It's easy to do, but looks so good that you'll be able to frame it. You'll need some dark-coloured paper, brightly coloured paint, glue, glitter, and a paintbrush. First, squirt some blobs of paint all around your paper. You don't have to be neat. Now, flick the paint out of each blob with a paintbrush like this. This is great fun. Then, make it extra explosive. Use your paintbrush to splash some sticky white PVA glue all over your picture. Now, shake some glitter over it. Shake it all off and wait for it to dry. What a great firework picture! Why don't you try it? And when it's all done, it looks really explosive. Kaboom!
What a great way of making a really clever picture. Now all that's left to do is frame it.
This is a great idea you can try using dried pasta shapes to make hair. It's very easy, but looks so good you'll be able to frame it.